Good morning, dear children. In the last class, we saw till C35. Today, we will be seeing some new concepts and 5 more problems. Today's first topic is fun with matchsticks. Look here, C36. Make 8 triangles using 6 matchsticks. Okay, so we have 6 matchsticks in our hand and we have to make 8 triangles out of that. Okay, now let us arrange one by one and see. Okay, first thing I can arrange using 6 matchsticks is a hexagon. Okay, but is there 8 triangles here? 6 matchsticks are here, but is there 8 triangles? No, so this is not possible. Okay, now look into this figure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 matchsticks are there, but only 2 triangles are formed. Look into this figure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 matchsticks, but no triangles. Now look here, I have arranged one triangle and another triangle in the opposite direction. So now you can count the triangles. Look here, 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the correct form of arranging 6 matchsticks to form 8 triangles. Is it clear? Okay, now let us learn about an angle tester. Okay, angle tester is an instrument used to test angles between two straight lines. Okay, you would have seen divider in your geometry box. Okay, okay, an instrument which looks like your compass itself. It is known as angle tester. Okay, you can even use your divider to measure the length of any line segment also. It is used to measure the line segment also. It is used to measure the angle also. So divider is known as an angle tester. You can have many other angle testers also. C37. Look at the given picture and find the angle. Can you see the picture A? What is that? It is the hand of a man. Okay, this is his shirt and this is his hand. So what angle is formed here? Acute angle. Yes. Okay, then B question. It is a coconut tree growing from the ground. So what angle is formed between the ground and the stem of the coconut tree? Yes, that is right angle. Okay, C subdivision. This is a clock. So what is the time shown in the clock? 12:40. Okay, so what is the angle here formed? It is an reflex angle. Okay, and look at this last picture. This is a glass, and in this glass, what is this angle? It is not less than 90 degree. It is not equal to 90 degree, but it is more than 90 degree. So this is known as obtuse angle. The next topic is angles in names. C38. From the given name, find the number of acute, obtuse and right angles. So what is the name given? Anu. Okay. Now make a table like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay. Write acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle here. Write A, N, U in separate rows. Then find how many acute angles are here. Okay, see, look here, only this top angle is acute angle in A, this angle. Okay, these two are obtuse angles. No right angle is here. So one acute angle, no right angle and one obtuse angle. Okay, and in N you have one acute angle, one more acute angle. No right angle or obtuse angle. You have reflex angle. See, 1, 2. But in question, reflex angle is not asked. They have asked only acute, obtuse and right angle. So there are only two right angles, acute angles, no right angle and no obtuse angle. In U, you have only two right angles. You don't have any acute angle or obtuse angle. Is it clear? Now find the total number of acute angle, it is 3. Total number of right angle, it is 2. Total number of obtuse angle, it is 2. The next topic is changing shapes. See, look here, I have drawn 4 shapes here. The first shape is triangle. Okay, so here, whatever may be the pressure given to all the 3 angles, the shape remains to be the triangle itself. It does not change. Okay, but look for the square. When there is a pressure given on this vertex, both these sides get compressed inside like this. Okay, so this right angle becomes a reflex angle. Can you see here? Okay, now look the same for a pentagon. Okay, here we have 5 sides and 5 angles. Now I give pressure to the top angle. Okay, so this is compressed down. Okay, here it is an acute angle, and when it is compressed, both these sides becomes like this, and there is a reflex angle formed here. Clear? Now this is a hexagon with 6 sides. Now here I give pressure on both sides, on this vertex and on this vertex. Okay, so when I give pressure here, these 2 sides come inside, and when I give pressure here, these 2 sides come inside. So the figure formed will be like this. Here we have 2 reflex angle inside the figure. Can you see this? So if any shape is in the shape of a triangle, then it is very strong than any other shapes. Look into the next question, C39. Why triangles are used in construction of towers, bridges, etc. Okay, just now we saw that triangles are very strong, and even when any force pressure is given, it cannot be changed. Okay, so triangles are the strongest polygon than all other polygons. In other polygons, angles can be changed, but in triangles, angles cannot be changed once if it is built. Okay, so once if it is built in any angle, it cannot be changed to any other angle. Its angle cannot be varied. But in other polygons, the angles can be varied. This is the final question of today's class. Use the given angles and draw anything you see around you that matches the given angle. Okay, so here A, it is an acute angle. Okay, so on seeing this, I got this idea. Okay, so you can draw even your own imagination. Whatever you see, you can draw. Okay, beak of a bird looks like this angle. Okay, and B, this is a right angle facing towards the left side, and we have steps in our home, right? So the steps looks like this, and each step has a right angle. So this angle looks similar to this angle. Okay, C is acute angle. Okay, the angle is at the top vertex. When you see a hut, the top of the hut makes an acute angle. Okay, so these are my own imagination. You can even find some more examples and you can draw.